Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to be explaining to you guys how you can add the Pinterest tag to your site on Wix, so let's get right into it. As you can see, currently I'm on the dashboard for one of my Wix sites, and what you're going to want to do from here is go over into Site and Mobile App, then go into Website and SEO, and click on SEO. From here, you're going to want to go and complete the checklist if you didn't, as I haven't, but you're going to need to go into site verification once you set everything up. Once you're in site verification, you'll see this page, and as you can see, Pinterest is the second option from the top. Now here is where you'll need to enter the site verification tag. You'll get this from your Pinterest account. You want to go into your account settings by going, let's imagine this is Pinterest for a second. You go to your account tab here, and then you'll have a settings button somewhere here where you want to go to, and then you'll need to go into website ownership or something like that, or claimed websites. Then go into that tab, click on claim next to websites, and then you'll have the option to copy the HTML tag, which you'll then copy over here. Now, once you've copied that, you're going to want to save it, and now your site has the Pinterest tag. Now, another step, what you need to do is to verify on Pinterest, and you'll do so by going to your website preview on your editor. So make sure you preview your website like so, and then you're going to have to copy the link of that page, but you're going to have to make one small adjustment. As you can see, this is what it looks like. You're going to have to copy the URL from the top. However, what you're going to want to do is add a backslash or a forward slash to the end of that URL, or else Pinterest will freak out. So you just need to add a forward slash, copy that URL over to Pinterest to the claim page, then click verify, and everything's going to be okay. And that's pretty much it. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.